Hello there. Welcome to Indian Hollywood Fan, and this is the third episode of IHF Weekly. So, this is a weekly series of news and updates about movies and TV shows. So, before getting started, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share the videos. I talk about movies and TV shows, reviews, rankings, news and updates, and trailer breakdowns. So, this week was very busy for Marvel fans compared to the last couple of weeks, which was all about DC fandom. So, straight away, starting with the new casting which we got this week of Kang the Conqueror. So, we were wondering that who's going to be the next big bad villain of the MCU after Thanos. So, we finally have him. So, it's Kang the Conqueror, and he's going to show up in the third Ant-Man movie, which is supposedly gonna release in 2022, but it can get delayed. So Jonathan Majors has been cast as Kang the Conqueror. So I think he's gonna make a great Kang. Moving on to the Disney Plus Marvel show, so The Falcon and the Winter Soldier has resumed production and now they have started filming. So we have some behind the scenes photos again. So we can see Batroc is back in the MCU. So he appeared in Captain America the Winter Soldier. And we can also see Sharon Carter. So she appeared in the Winter Soldier as well as Civil War. Obviously, she was absent between Civil War until she's going to appear in this show again. And talking more about the Falcon and the Winter Soldier, Anthony Mackie also shared some of his behind the scenes pictures on Twitter. So we can clearly see him wearing the new Falcon costume, and basically the one who was taking his picture was his partner in crime, the Winter Soldier, Sebastian Stan, who's playing Bucky again. So reportedly, this show is probably getting delayed even further, but again, we just have to wait until we get any confirmation about it. So probably the show will still stick to 2020, but Black Widow might try to change its release date. So recently, Wonder Woman 84 also changed its release date from October to December. So what has happened is the latest Hollywood films which have come out, like Tenet and the New Mutants and some other films. So basically, they have not performed that well at the box office. So probably studios are thinking they should delay these big budget films. So that's why I think Black Widow might consider to delay to 2021. Although we did get some of the new stills and pictures about the film or at Total Film, so something good at least. And also we got the trailer finally for Mandalorian season 2, so one of the most awaited shows. And they finally released a trailer for the season this week. So obviously it's filled with a lot of references and Easter eggs and basically some clues about what's going to happen in the season. So we just have to wait and watch. So speaking of another Disney Plus show, WandaVision is reportedly still releasing in 2020. So it's still sticking to its December 2020 release date. So probably it's not going to reshoots. The fact is, The Falcon, the Winter Soldier had to go through reshoots, but WandaVision had completed its filming before The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. So we're still going to get WandaVision this year. Also, we finally have She Hulk. So, another casting from Marvel this week was Tatiana Maslany. So, she has been cast as Bruce Banner's cousin as She Hulk in the upcoming Disney Plus She Hulk series. So, basically, it's another great news. So after so many Marvel updates, we do have one DC update. So Robert Pattinson has fully recovered from COVID-19 and now he has started filming again, and the Batman is back in production. So another great news. So basically we are still going to get the Batman on its release date, and the production is going pretty good again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May the force be with you always.